Then throughout the evening, I was restless.
Hak sengi besan ke dorbar mang tingka jongga ying dorbar tauan ke jela hak arpau terik rempang arajar arpun riu. Thomas E. Sangma ulampang ke ying kat kum kerai na kat Business Advisory Committee ulapin sange lut yaki kambaro ki badai ban shim hakani ke sengi long dorbar pat sya tangi ki jingkran sengulam halor ke jingklat no Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ubla klat no kendet hak janmit jong khat khandai terik rempang arajar arpun riu ha H. Gordon Robert Hospital Shillong hadien ke jing Tom kebala lap kensan yu hakapor bau yelek kai football hamau lai mau yong. Hakatika sengi marsen pli ulam pang ya ke dorbar umentri rangba ke jela ukon red kes sangma ula syem ya ke benta ban kran hakabau la batai syapang ke jinga kendu badu Dr. Ricky Artayo Munchwa Delhi hakabala ya kran halor ki kam ban kentiu ya ke jela bat ke jingkwa unoelam bala khlat no ban wan ra ya ke National Institute of Social Defence. Board no menteri rangba lakran dau Dr. Mukul Sangma unoi lam kaliang persya bat kiwe pat. Henry, naka jingdon ka link hot video kabla sapriang hakirin san social media ya kabala download naka link jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kabapen I ya kashuki kabaki hi dalade hakapor bau Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA na Umsning constituency kat bau dang shimbenta hakate ka jingkran ngulam kumta lapit banya biang ya ka video bapura hakate ka link kabapen I baka don shisha ka jingki kashuki kaba omla ban tip naka nugadaw hakapor bau Dr. Celestine uang bau klam yo thia shu mare yo ka khubor jingklat no jong MP. Hak jingkran u Dr. Celestine ulapin kan mau bau Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ubulai kun hak election MLA arhajar arpulai naka VPP na Umsning constituency ulaong balada job mano hap tre shitom naka benta ki ba. Kumban syukdo hakate ke election u Dr. Celestine ula job da kaboyok khur khandai hajar khandai spa nyo board naka seng congress board da upa Sunshine Makri naka UDP prahajar nyo spa sau pulai vote upa Jason Maulong ka NPP da nyo hajar khandai spa sau pusan vote badu Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon naka VPP chaka kerdan ka basau da kabokhur san hajar sau spa san phone re vote nalor kiwei pat ki kertong. U Dr. Ricky ulawan ban job don buram ya ke election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency House 6 araja arpusau da kabakhur san lak nyopuwe hajar nyopu pra vote kata san pusan point not % na ka jingwan ka total vote ka balong shipau lak laipu pra hajar san spa san punyo bat penliam yo sitting MP hakate kapor uba Vincent H. Pala ka Congress dan lailak nyopuwe hajar kandai spa shipau vote.
Last night, when I received the news, it was not yet confirmed at the time, of course, but Charles Marangara gave me a call. Then throughout the evening, I was restless. Even though I used to be a very early sleeper, the moment I go to bed, in 5 minutes, I fall asleep. But yesterday, till 12 o'clock, midnight, I could not sleep. I took out my mobile, go to YouTube, type Dr. Ricky Singkon. The first thing that came is his sermon. I don't know the village, but it is district, Jingaseng district of Maulik district. And the topic of his sermon was also taken from the letter of Paul to the Philippi, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not very well versed and remember much about the gospel, but he said, from that reading in the gospel, for me to live is Christ and to die is victory. Something like that reading which he took. While listening to that, looking at the way he delivered his sermon, who will believe that he is no more with us? Even this morning, I was feeling very heavy, and I know everyone, every member of this house, all the people are feeling sad. We feel like a thick black cloud is covering us. We feel so sad to talk. But when we look at the life of Dr. Ricky Singkon, in a way, I feel we should not feel that sad. Rather, we should celebrate the achievements academically that he has done, the example that he sets in public life, these are all to be celebrated. In 2023, sir, when we all went for the result day, assembly election result day, I was sitting just adjacent to Dr. Ricky Sengkon, along with the others. And you know, the atmosphere in the counting hall is so heavy. Dr. Ricky Sengkon tapped my shoulder and said, Doctor, lada job u Dr. Kot, ne job u Dr. Briuru, ngi dei ban treshitong. I'll translate that in English. He told me, if Dr. Kot means him, or Dr. Briu means Dr. Seelingdo, if anyone wins, we should work hard for the benefit of the people. I remember that words. So today when I came to the assembly, when I send the messages to friends that the assembly will continue as usual timing, a tear came to my eye. And there are 2-3 occasions where we went for programs together. In one occasion, in that program, as usual, we used to be given stalls. But in that program, the organizers were using the Ohomia Gamosha. So when that felicitation part was over, Dr. Sengkon was telling me, Doctor, we should stop all this. Either they give us rindia, local made stalls, or don't give us anything. I don't like to use an item which is made from a different state, which is not belonging to our tradition. So here I realized a person who really is concerned about our own roots, our own values, and the items and articles that we use should be ours. So he also encouraged me, every function that you go, you should tell this. We should tell our people, let us do, felicitate with the things of our own tradition, or we don't do it if we cannot do it. So on this sad day, I stand here not only on my own behalf, I also speak on behalf of the people of my constituency. There are multitudes of people in my own constituency who love, voted, and still cherish the leadership of the late Dr. Ricky Sengkon. Once again, I convey my heartfelt condolences to the family, for myself and on behalf of my people.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.